Construction projects don't usually fail because of poor designs. They fail because of poor execution on site. A single mistake in supervision can lead to safety incidents, costly delays, budget overruns, and poor quality work. In fact, industry research shows that effective site supervision significantly improves project delivery, safety compliance, and overall operational efficiency. Yet many construction professionals struggle to manage teams, coordinate subcontractors, monitor quality, enforce safety regulations, and respond quickly when unexpected issues arise. The root cause is often a lack of practical supervisory skills, structured planning, and confident decision-making in fast-paced construction environments. The certificate in construction site supervision is designed to bridge that gap through hands-on learning and real-world construction scenarios. It equips professionals with practical skills in leadership, site operations, quality control, risk management, regulatory compliance, communication, resource planning, and modern technologies like BIM and digital reporting. Instead of reacting to problems after they happen, you'll learn how to prevent them before they impact your project. Whether you're a foreman, assistant site manager, project coordinator, or aspiring supervisor, this course helps you become a stronger leader on site and deliver projects with greater confidence. Enroll today and take the next step toward mastering construction site supervision.